What it do, what it do, what it do. Hello, hello, good afternoon. Power hour, we're back. A little 3 o'clocker. Kind of looking at this setup right here. I feel like, well, right now it's breaking the downside, but I was kind of thinking we end of day little squeezy, but this move right now is making me not feel so bullish. Oh, Lord. We'll see. Oh, my. They're dipping it. 3 o'clock. They didn't wait. They said it's 3 o'clock. Time to go. Oh, man. That's quite the interesting 3 o'clock candle. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here into the 980s. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, they said. We got above that high from Monday this morning, early morning. We got above it, pulled right back. That high from Friday is what we pushed through. We're still above that. See if that turns into support here now. Try to build out a bull flag here. Need to kind of hold up above this 970s. I do feel like this wants to push up here, but see what happens. We can hold this 980 level strong. Start to curve back up out of this. It's kind of like a fake out little dip to the downside here. See where this candle closes at. I feel like if we can close up here above that 20,010 level again, well then could start getting it going. How was Chipotle? Chipotle's always good, man. Should buy some stock in Chipotle since I'm their #1 customer. At least I would know that Chipotle would never go out of business because Patrick Wieland will always go to the last and final location. Either one customer a day. Still trying to hold up here at the 20s for now, 20,000s. It's playing out the way we want it to go for the longs right now. Let's see. Will they hold? On the book map right now, there's that acceleration up there to that 20,010 level again. Oh, lordy. Now we see that Nasdaq gets back above that 20 level there. We're gonna get the end of the day push. Bulls can reclaim that 20 level. See if we go here end of day. Trouble. Again. Nasdaq really needs to get back above that kind of 20,000 area to get something going here. There's a bunch of liquidity sitting there at 20,020 right now. This is not looking too good. Probably pull back through the 20,000s again. There, a little break below 20,000. Trying to watch this right here. Someone said short to the VWAP. I don't know. 15-minute candle still, you know, hanging on. VWAP down there, 19,918s. Nasdaq again back up there above the 20,000s. I'm thinking this thing wants to go higher. We get through this 25 level strong. Should be clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff. Let's see. Being patient here. End of day. Power hour. Anything can happen. Stuck right below that 15 level. See if the buyers want to step in here and take this through that 20 level there next. Pushing 20s now. All right. Power hour. 311. $20 seller again stepping in there. 50 contracts at the 20s. Dollars pulling back here. Currently long, looking for this push up through the 20s. Can we get it? Sitting right there at the 20s, trying to break through there. After that, there's liquidity up there, kind of at the 30 level moving around, but I think she wants it. Trying to get through the 20s again. Right there, that fine line through the 20s sends us higher. 20s holding us down. Nasdaq getting denied there at the 20s. Coming on back. Down here again to the 20,000s. Got to get out of this consolidation zone. We're just kind of chopping around there. At 20, below the 20,000s, the bears are in control. So, pulling back here again into the 20,000s. It's been raining all day here in Florida. Been raining. Market back down there below the 20,000s again. Lots of wiki wicks there on the 15-minute chart. If we break out of this downward trend here on the 15-minute chart through the 22 level again, push up there through the 40s next. They're not really letting it dip too much. Dollars going sideways. Markets going sideways. Staying below that 20,020 level. You got 42 contracts sitting down there at the 80s right now. 1980. 42 contracts sitting down there, so feel like we lose that 20,000 support. It's a pretty quick move down. Waiting for a convincing move through this 20,000 level here. Will we get it? Some sellers trying to step in here now. Get through this 20,000 down there 95s or so. And then that 980 just got to get through liquidity wise, but it's not getting that commitment. You got to get gone through the 20,000s. You can see a very small candles so far. The bears, the bulls battling here at the 20,000s. This candle could get very large and red very quickly if we just lose this 20,000 support. Again, pushing it back up there. They don't want it below 20,000. Not much happening here. Still got another 30 minutes or so, 35 minutes until the end of day, power hour. Market setting up for a move here, end of day. Will that 20,000 area hold? Will they break? Testing 20,000s once again here. Down there through the 90s. Getting stuck below the 90s now. Lose that 90 support. Or get stuck there at the 90s and then try to... Still reacting off that 90 level. Back up 20,000 again. $15-minute chart here. Wick, wick, wick. Let's see where this candle closes at. A lot of sellers trying to come in here right now. Starting to roll here at the 90s. Will we get some movement, quicker movement to the downside through the 90s here next? It's not really dumping. Not really doing much. Hard to say. Gotta have to wait for that 350 algorithm, I guess. Some type of movement here, you know. We're in this channel right now. Moving the downside there, but... Again, back to the upside. If they lose that 90 support, we should get a nice little sell through there. There's a lot of liquidity sitting there at the 80s right now, just being annoying. There's there was 85 contracts at 75, kind of moving around a little bit. They're moving it around there. A lot of support down there right now. See if they get dumped in. Dumped on. Dumped in. Dumped on. Dumped on. My little Chinese friend's name. Dumped on. I used to do a lot of work with DJI back in the day, a Chinese drone company, and it was always so funny. We'd do a trade show and stuff, and a lot of the you know, guys from China would have like very American names, you know, like Bobby, Brian, you know, stuff like that. You're like, you're not a Brian. You don't look like no Brian. Or a Nick. I never met a Patrick. I never met a Patrick from China. A lot of Brians, though. A lot of Brians. Nasdaq again, back down there to the 80s. Testing it once again. Will she break? Sell, sell, sell. To get through the 80 level. No! Wow. Someone just market ordered 399 contracts. Market order down there. That was pretty wild. Somebody wants to go higher. Somebody wants to go higher here, end of day. kind of commitment that I like to see right there. 300 contracts getting bought. Who bought 300 contracts? You crazy sons of bitches. Y'all crazy, man. What I really want to know is how many people are going to vote for Kamala Harris? Let me know in the chat poll. Do you love her or is it a no-go? You got 179 votes with 19% say they love her. Uh-oh. I think someone's just trolling the chat right now. There's no way anybody that would, you know, have a brain would actually say they love Kamala Harris. Come on. You know, you kidding me, right? You kidding me. You're trolling me. I can't wait for the debate. The Kamala Harris fucking Donald Trump debate. That'll be hilarious. Oh, God. They won't be able to argue about golf. They'll have nothing to argue about. Trump's just gonna be like, you're ugly. You are ugly. You're an ugly woman. Ugly, ugly woman. Can already see it. That'll be the headline. Trump calls Kamala Harris an ugly woman. Everybody's been thinking it, but Trump's the first one to say it. Was I not allowed to say that? I think everyone can say it, right? She will unburden us by what has been. Yeah, I've seen that. We will unburden ourselves from what has been. That is the message. What has been will be what has not, because we will be as we were before. We are being now. You know, time is, it is like a thing that exists. And if you think about it, we're here now. And tomorrow's tomorrow. And today's today. Oh, Kamala. It makes it too easy. All right, then Nasdaq up there to that 20 level. Once again, can we push? Lordy, lordy. Take out this 20 level again. Take out that 20 level here. Squeeze up there. 44s, end of day. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know where you think the market's going in the chat. What levels? Closing at 20K, 44. 20,051, 100% chance. It's pretty good odds. Bullish to 20,250. Now we're getting real wild. 20,050. I think she's going up, chat. It's a triple top, man. It either shoots up or it tanks. Well, goddamn. Goddamn, Billy. Yeah. That right there, that's got to be the most, that's the truest statement I have ever read in my life. It's either going to go up or it's going to tank. Well, goddamn, Billy. Billy, you are too good. That boy right there is too good at this game. I can't, I give up. Reggie, man. Reggie coming in with the hot fire. I mean, I'm pretty bullish at the here. I feel like we're gonna squeeze up. If we can just hold here at the 20,010s, but that little last candle was funky, to be honest. I don't really know. I don't want this to really pull back. We need to go here, because that last little candle, I don't know how to feel about that, honestly. It's a battle between the bears, the bulls. 20,010 is the line in the sand. The battle's real. The battle is real. Holding here at the 20s, so I don't want to jinx it, but I don't know. All right. Nasdaq making the push. We need some commitment. A lot of resistance here. Cat's amazing books. Tell people how much money you're up. I've lost everything. I have broke. I now have to sell everything. The McLaren's the first one for sale. 240,000 cash. No bullshit. I'll sell you the Lambo for 360,000 cash. No bullshit. And I'll sign them as well. Autograph them. Okay? 240, 360. Give me 600,000 cash. Done deal. Cash, done deal. $350 algorithm. We got 2 minutes left here. 2 minutes. 1 minute 40. How much to not autograph them? Well, you know, I would autograph them for a you know, for no cost. No problem. I'll autograph it for you. Just let me know where you want me to autograph it at. Oh, man. Carbon fiber, baby. Carbon fiber. All right, a lot of liquidity stacked up there, 45 and 50s here, end of day. 350 algorithm is about to kick in. If you haven't seen the 350 algorithm in person, hit the motherfucking like button right now because it's about to get wild, my friends. You have never seen something this insane. 350 algorithm! Get ready for it. Keep an eye on it. It's gonna get wild. Wild. You got 20,050 to the upside there. 48 contracts. Here we 20 seconds. Not even there yet. Look at the markets already. It's dumping. It's dumping. But still holding. Holding there right below the 20s. Will they pop it? Pop the bubble or pop it to the moon? Kick it. 4, 3, 2, 1. It'll magically move right now. I told you it would move. You didn't listen to me, did you? Would you look at that? 350, the algorithm has spoken. The little dip down there, 20,000s again. Will she hold 20,000s here? Back up off the 20,000 level. That 20,020 area is going to be a key level for the bulls to get through here. If they can't get back above the 20s here, this party is over, and expect more choppy, crappy action before the end of day here. But if they can get this going, if the bulls can come in here, squeeze this up, the sky is the limit. 45, 50s up there. So watching 20s here. We're pushing. This 20,020 area, key level to get through. Will it send us to the moon? Ooh. That 2 minute, look at that 2 minute candle right now. She wants to be a big old wick. She wants it. You gotta push it. 20s. 20s, baby. Show the world. There it is. Oh, look at that. Come on. Big old hammer candle to the moon. Oh, Lord. You can have more liquidity popping up here in 3 minutes as well. 355 algorithm kicking in there. The last little burst of orders. Very uneventful bullshit. Choppy action here now. Below that 20 level, the bulls, the bears, just pretty much going back and forth, back and forth. Who's gonna win? Lordy, lordy, 20s again. Come on, 20s. Come on, 20s. Come on, 20s. It's stuck. Stuck. Uneventful. Uneventful. Very uneventful here. Uneventful. Kamala screwing the market. Oh, Lord. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, no, don't do that, please. I posted a thing on Instagram earlier. She's like, you know, I'm not against people making wealth, but I've chosen to be a public servant. Bitch! What are you talking about? Nasdaq down there again, 20,000s. They don't want to go nowhere. They just want it to end right here, huh? Just right there. Just right there, man. Crazy. $350 algorithm kicking in there again. More liquidity getting injected here. Still stuck below 20,000. Trying to see if they're going to give up that 90 level, but they are still just holding up there, 90s. There's some liquidity down there at the 80s. Where's that move down there to the 80s now? And I'm back up there now. The move is done. The market is done. The market is closing here in 2 minutes. We'll be live tomorrow for Turbo Tuesdays. Turbo Tuesdays. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. And hopefully you guys enjoyed a little power hour. Power hour wasn't so much power in this hour. It was mostly just a lot of choppy McChopperson there. So stay alive, take your profits, and run away. All right. Talk to you guys later on. Peace to the Middle East.